What is going on, guys? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping, and thank you for tuning in to another video here on the Solo Cuts Landscaping YouTube channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys that stop on by and share some time with me here on the channel. Now today's video is just going to be a quick little tip video here that we're going to talk about mastering the continuous line to where it looks like whatever obstacle is in your way, your stripe just does not stop. It goes all the way through. You don't see that turn mark. We're going to cover that on how you can do that so that way your stripes look as crisp as they possibly can. Alrighty guys, so let's get right into it. So guys, like I said, my name is Dylan with Solo Cuts Landscaping. If you are new to the channel, thank you very much for stopping by. Be sure to smash that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell so that way you get a notification every time I drop a video. And guys, by the end of this video, if you got some value out of this, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the videos get out there in the YouTube world, so that way we can be sure to help as many folks out there. So this is going to be a quick little video. We have some obstacle right here. It's some septic caps that are in the front yard, and I'm going to show you how we go about making that stripe continuous. Now I'm gonna flip the camera around and we'll get this thing going. So as you can see right there, the stripe goes all the way through the obstacle. You don't see a light stripe on this section of dirt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna act like we're just sitting on the lawnmower. I'm on a lawnmower and I'm coming down this stripe here. Always remember, ride on white. So if you have a new guy, always tell them, you know, they're not sure exactly how a lawn stripes. So one quick way to do is ride on white. So we are on the mower here. So a quick little way would just be, oh, we're just gonna go this way and go right onto the stripe. Now, the only issue with that is it is going to cover up. You're gonna have a light streak going in this stripe that comes this way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come around here, go around, and then we're going to turn and go up that way. And that's if you're working the property from this side over to here. So you go that way, then you come back, and you'll go right around this. That'll be your stripe. So if we're going to be working the opposite direction, working this way over, same thing, just flipped. Can't really see the stripes too well just because of the light or light stripe. We're going to go here, turn down this way, because now we're on a light stripe. Come back, turn, and now you're back on your light stripe. So then you have that continuous stripe. I'm gonna try, it's my first time with the drone, I'm gonna try and get some drone footage of cruising over it so that way you can see what it looks like from a little higher standpoint than what this is. So guys, that is how you do your continuous stripe. Always just keep in mind, you never want to go against a stripe that you have laid when it comes to going around an obstacle. So when you see you're gonna come up, if you look to the left and you're gonna be going against that stripe, go the other way around. So guys, like I said, this is just a quick little video. I hope you found some value in this. Like I said, if you do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know, do you guys go to shoot for the continuous stripe? Is that something you guys shoot for? I know on myself, I try everything I can to make that stripe continuous. Now there's some times where it's a smaller property and whatnot. It may not be possible, may not be feasible. You may do more damage than not if it's a small area and you have to do a bunch of turns. A lot of times that doesn't turn out too well. So guys, thank you very much for watching. And so guys, as always, remember, do what you love what you do, but never stop. Guys, we will see you in the next one.